business.tiktok.com. Business.tiktok.com. So we've already created an email address for an affiliate marketer. So we come and we click sign up. Okay. And then we're going to paste that email address there. And then we go for the password now. Copy the password, and then we're going to paste the password there as well. And then we're going to agree. So that's basically it. And then we're going to say sign up. Then we do the verification. No. It's PNP. All right, so now what we're doing now is we're waiting for a verification email. That the verification code is that 7HXRR. And now we're in. So one of the most important things that you should know that is you are an affiliate marketer. So you are not an agency. Never subscribe to you being an agency if you are an affiliate marketer. All right. So you come here, you click I'm an advertiser. Okay. You can always skip that and then click I'm an advertiser and then country or region, and then we select South Africa. Okay. And then company name, we put our company name there. All right. So our time zone is already pre-selected and our currency is also pre-selected there. And then we say create. This is us creating our TikTok Business Center account. The TikTok Business Center account is going to enable us to actually run ads and more. So here, this two-step verification that is required. We're going to do this here later in this video, so we can always skip that now and say not now. And then now we're in. So we're going to skip that tour. So we've got one user already, and then there we've got no account on TikTok accounts, and we've got no ad account, we've got no pixel, and we have no catalog. So we're going to basically work on these here in this video. All right, so what we're going to do first is when you're starting up, obviously you are not, aware of a whole lot of steps that TikTok has. So it's going to give you this here, which is called actions, that is going to tell you who is who, what is what needs to be done. So these are the actions here. Okay. But some of these actions you're going to have to skip, like build your team. You are an affiliate marketer. If you can follow my mouse, you're an affiliate marketer. You're not building any team. You are doing this on your own. You are your own business. Okay. So let's start by adding contact information. All right. So here we select our industry, which is e-commerce, because we are selling various products from a marketplace. So you're going to go for other. Okay. And then contact name, we put in a contact name there. All right. And then now on the contact number, we need to put in a contact number there. So we're going to get that from what we have copied and pasted on our clipboard. Okay. All right. So we've added that information now. We're good to go. Skip that as well. And then here, create an advertiser account. We're going to do that quickly. So understand, when it comes to create an advertiser account, you can either do that like when you're on your home page, when it comes to creating an advertiser account, it's important for you to know your menu tabs. These are your menu tabs on your left. So an advertiser account, you can create it by coming here, or you can create it by clicking start there. So I can also do it by coming to accounts there. Okay. Then I create an advertiser account, and then I'm going to call this account Mate Media Ads account. Okay, or you can simply call it multimedia ads. Simple and straightforward. On the company website, you're an affiliate marketer, leave that blank. As you can see, it's saying optional right there. Right, and then on account time zone, please do note when you're creating your advertiser account, it is very important for you to select where your ads are going to be running. So you may be an affiliate marketer in South Africa and you are looking to run offers in America. You have to create your ad account with an American time zone. Okay, so here it is very important. If you read the text here, this will affect all time related functions, including data reporting and ad scheduling. It can't be changed after you create the ad account. All right, so here we are creating an ad account for South Africa. Okay, so we select South Africa, and then when we come down here, there's already pre-filled information. So we click next to continue. And then here, contact name, that's optional. Email address is optional. Phone number is optional. So just so that we don't come across a whole lot of other questions and stuff in front there, let's just fill that in. All right. That's the contact name, and then the contact number. We put in the contact number there as well, and we submit. So now we've got an ads account.